One of the most talked about perks of electric car ownership is the extremely low service cost. But that doesn't mean they don't need service from time to time. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common repair, or service, you'll need to perform on the Tesla Model 3. Now when the Model 3 needs service, it displays warning lights on the instrument panel. Most of these warning lights are displayed on the left side of the panel near the drive mode indicator. But there's one warning light that's displayed at the top right corner of the screen. When this warning light is displayed, it means that the vehicle's reservoir tank for the forward vision hydraulic effacement system is at a critical level. Now your first step is going to be to put the Tesla in service position. To do this, press the brake pedal twice, bump the steering wheel to the left 6 times, back to the right 3 times, press and hold the brake pedal for 4 seconds, release, beep the horn twice, and press this button. You'll notice the service access panel has been unlocked. Carefully raise the access panel and make sure it rests securely on its pneumatic lift supports. Now refilling your forward vision hydraulic effacement system does require some specialty tools and products. First and foremost, you're going to need a container of hydraulic effacement replenishment. Now, I got the name brand stuff because I prefer installing OEM parts. Next, you'll need a set of adjustable pipe wrench pliers. And last but not least, a set of brake spring pliers. First, adjust your pliers so that they fit the safety lock on your container of hydraulic effacement replenishment. That looks about right. To remove the safety lock, rotate it counterclockwise. Now you'll notice underneath the safety lock there is a secondary membrane. We're going to use the brake spring pliers to puncture the secondary membrane. Once you have a good sized puncture on one side, puncture a bleed hole in the other side. Next, locate the hydraulic effacement reservoir fill cap near the base of the windshield. To open the cap, carefully pry it upwards until it releases from its catchment. Now, pour your hydraulic effacement replenishment directly into the reservoir. When it's full, press the cap downward until you hear it click. Now the only thing left to do is to test the system for proper operation. Looks like everything's working good here. Well, thanks for watching my Tesla service tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified when I release new videos, hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep it shiny side up.